Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamarul Arifin. I am a senior lecturer at University Technology Mara, Kedah Branch Campus. In this video, I'm going to discuss the problems on the topic of markup markdown. Without further ado, let's just go through the solutions related to the questions on markup markdown. Okay, so let's go through on this part. Okay, in the last video we have looked through question number 1. So for this video we're gonna discuss on question number 2. Okay, question number 2 state here is that it stated that a dealer bought a radio for 110 ringgit. He wishes to obtain a net profit of 40 ringgit from the sales of the radio. Operating expenses will amount to 25% of the selling price. And the questions asked is to find what should be the selling price of the radio. And the second one is what is the break-even price of the radio. Okay. Before we solve the problem, so the first thing that I have mentioned earlier, in order to solve the problem, you need to find the given information first. Okay, so in this case, the given information, the first number that you see is 110. So it says a dealer bought a radio for 110 ringgit. Okay, so this means that you have the cost of the radio to be 110 ringgit. Sorry, this is the question for. Okay, let's see the solutions for question number 2. So you have the, in this case, okay, so in this case you have the cost to be 110 ringgit, and then he also stated that he wishes to obtain a net profit of 40 ringgit. So net profit here is equal to 40 ringgit. Okay, so it gives you the amount. It doesn't mention in terms of the percentage on selling price or cost price. So that means you have NP over here equal to 40 ringgit. And finally, you have another value given here is the 25%. So this is representing the operating expenses, which is 25% of the selling price. So in this case, it can be written as the OE equal to 0.25 SP. Why 0.25? Because it's 25%, and why multiply with SP? Because it is based on the selling price. Okay, so the first question asks you to find the selling price of the radio. Okay, they ask you to find the selling price. So as given by the general formula, SP is equal to M plus C plus M. But in this case, you have the value for NP and OE. So that means you can replace the M with the gross profit, that is OE plus NP. Remember that the gross profit and the markup value is the same thing. So that means you can replace M with OE plus NP. And then you substitute the value of NP and OE with the value of C in the formula. You obtain that SP is equal to C plus 0.25 SP plus NP. So in this case, you can combine the 0.25 SP with the SP in the left side. So bring the 0.25 SP to the left side. So you have 1 SP minus 0.25 SP. So it turned out to be 0.75 SP. And then you have C plus NP on the right hand side. So you know that C is equal to 110, and then NP or net profit is equal to 40. So substitute that value. So you have it to be equal to 150, and then solve for the selling price. So you get 150 divided by 0.75, which give you RM 200 ringgit. Okay, so that is the first questions. Okay, first part of the question that is requesting you to find the selling price. The second part of the question asks you to find the break-even price. So you are looking for the break-even price of the radio. And by default, the formula given for a break-even price is given by C plus OE, that is cost plus the operating expenses. You know that the operating expenses is equal to 0.25 SP. Since you already found the value of SP equal to 200 just now, so substitute SP with 200 and you find that BEP, or the break-even price, is equal to 160 ringgit. Okay, another way to calculate the break-even price is just by taking the difference between the selling price and the net profit. So that is 2,200 minus the 40 ringgit net profit. So you get the answer to be RM 160 ringgit. So that is how you solve the problems related to markup, markdown, or mathematics of retailing. So this is the solution for the question number 2. Okay, so until we meet again, thank you very much. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the videos presented so far. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Do share the videos with others. And lastly, remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you will get notified as soon as a new video is released. Thank you and all the best.